Hi guys, so today's sharing will be about Storyboarder. It's an app or a platform that allows you to visualize your storyboard into real, proper storyboarding, and you can also add like animation and elements to help visualize your story better. So in this Storyboarder app, what you can do is you can create a new storyboard. So when you create a new storyboard, right, it will prompt you to write your story or describe your story in word form. So you can have an idea or a concept in mind. How short it may be is up to you. Then you can put all this information or details into this prompt. Similar like how you were to use any other AI platforms like ChatGPT or Gemini or something like that. So you can write all the important details of the story, or you can input your story in the form of a PDF file. So if you have a PDF file or a sketch already done up, you can upload your document up into this website. Secondly is if you have a short list that you have already done up during the pre-production phase, you can also import your short list up into this Storyboarder. But for today's example, I will be uploading a PDF file of a skit that I thought of. So it will upload successfully, and then we continue. In this prompt, they will ask you what is your story's genre. So you can select your genre for your story. So if you want it to be action-based, you select action. If you want it to be fantasy, you can select fantasy. This will influence the kind of storyboard that they will generate in terms of the backdrop and intensity of the story that they're going to produce for you in this platform. So in this case, I will select comedy. Then we click generate scene breakdown. Then it will read your story as such. Then once it's done, you can review your scene breakdown. So now what we do is you review your scenes that they produce. If you don't like or you feel like it doesn't fit in the kind of description you want, you can also review and amend. So in this text box, you can just review, see what you don't like, you amend, see if you want to extend more, you can also type in your prompt. Then we create bring to life. Then continue. So in this step, you will be asked to select the kind of art style you want your storyboard to be generated in. You can choose comic, cinematic, in animation style, or sketch style, or stick figure. Also, you can select your aspect ratio to be either portrait or vertical, 16:9, or for mobile video, it will be 9:16. So in this case, I will select the standard 16:9, and then I will select, let's go with comic, generate storyboard. So these are the generated storyboarding produced in a comic style, and then based on the description or the scenes that you input into this website, it will help you to generate a storyboard. So you can edit, retry, variation, and upload. So for edit, what you can do is you can do simple tweaks like mirroring of the frame. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can design your background. You can paint or add your own sketch into the shot that they generated. So for variation, point into which specific parts of the shot that you want to really edit. The next one is to retry. So retry will just regenerate a different content or a different image. Yep, so this is the AI tool that I recommend you guys using to create your own storyboard using AI. So let's get started and give it a try. Thank you.